We talked about how to add transition effects to text on a video, but we never talked about how to add the effects on the video itself or the video sections when creating your content. Hi, welcome back to Owtech, and today we'll look at how to apply transitional effects on a video, on sections of a video at the end, at the beginning, or even at the middle of your video using VSDC free video editor. So last time whatever we did was we took an already created video and added the transition effects on the text, but now we're going to just create a blank project or drag and drop items in this. So there are two ways that you can add transition or animation effect on a video or within video sections. So the first thing is, if you want to do that, you can select a certain number of videos from your storage, or you can just have one long video and then you apply the effects within the created video. So for instance, right now let's just take a blank project and then name it transition, and then you're going to create this. So if I come to this editor menu and say add objects and select videos, so I'm selecting videos from my PC here. So I'm going to select already downloaded videos before. So let me just look for short videos, 2 or 3. So my download folder has quite a number of things, and it might take me a bit longer. Now now let me pick this. So if I select this, for instance, one, so you just hold control on your keyboard and select the number of videos that you want to appear. So if I select this number of videos and click open, I will be brought to this section where I'm going to add transition or some effects to these videos, how the video switches from the one to the other. So like right now I've added a number of videos on this section here where I'm going to add effects. If I want to add more, just drag and drop or click on this to add, to have more videos here. So you can see that between these videos there are these arrows here. Now these arrows are the parts where you're going to click on to add an effect between one video and the other, how you want the video to appear from one to the next one. So if I say, for instance, I click on this here, then I have lots of effects right here, transition effects to apply on this video. So I have the diffuse, I have fade, mosaic, page turn, perspective, push door, wipe, and all that. So if you want to use any of this, you just try one of them and apply it. So if I click, for instance, diffuse here, and then choose the direction or the how I would like this my transition effects to appear, then it will be applied on my video. So let me just choose this here, and then say add effect. Then now this effect that I have selected is what will be applied once the second video comes in. So the next, if I want to add a different effect in this next one, just click on this here. Then I will select, let's say for instance, I'd like a different effect here. So let me just choose perspective, for instance. Then select how I want it to appear here. If I want this one, then that's the one that will appear. So if I choose this, you see, then now I'll go and say add effect. Then I'll go to the next one and I'll apply different effects here as much as I want. Then I just click on add effect. Do the same until I'm done with all the videos or the transitions that I like to apply on this video. So choose that, add effect, click on this here, then choose a different one, page turn, take this. So right now I'm just picking them randomly because it's just an example. So if I click on this, and maybe say stripes. Click on that, add effect. Now I have added effects between all my videos. Then I'll just say apply settings. Then now you can note that the content has been converted into sprite. But if I want to edit the individual content or individual videos, I'll just double click on this sprite here, and then I'll see the videos displayed the way they've been arranged in my work area here. Then if I want to have my sprite back so that I can move this all these videos as a block, I just click on back on this sprite one. Then I can drag it anywhere like we talked about in sprite, which if you have not watched, the link is in the description section. It really helps you with managing your video content or video sections when creating videos, especially from smaller video sections combined together. Now if I want to see these effects, I'll click on preview. Then I will see the effects that I had applied before. So I don't really remember how long the first video was, but for me to see the effect, the first video must come to an end. Let me just drag it up to that point, and then we can see. Let's see from this point. So let's see when that video ends what really happens. See, no, those are the effects that we're talking about. You want to apply effects between videos in your content. That is the first way to do it. Now if I wanted to apply these effects on a longer video, not just these sections that I can do from using the method that I've applied, I would select the video that I want to apply the effect on. So for now I'm just going to delete this sprite, and I just add object and select a video. I'm going to select a much longer video so that I don't have to deal with that. So let me see. Okay, let me just pick this. Let me pick that. No, that may have copyright issues later. So let me just pick a short video here. Then we can apply the effects as has been said. So let me pick this and say click on open. So this is a music lyric video. So let me drag it to the beginning, then reduce the volume so that it does not have effect. So if I play this like this here, so if I want to maybe add some effects on this, I'll just pause it at that point and I'll choose add effects and apply whichever effect I want to use here. So if I want to apply the fade-in effect from the beginning of this video, for instance, let me just do it from there. I'll just come to this transparency and say fade-in. Click on OK. Then I'll increase the duration a little bit like we did with the one on text animation. So increase duration to 5 seconds. Then press enter. Then now if I start playing this, you see the fade-in effect is very clear. Just drag that and replay. Yeah, so you can apply this effect on any section of your video. You just have to drag your player control to the position where you want the transition effect to appear. Then you select your transition effect from video effects. There are options there. Then you set the time to make it a bit longer visible. Then you click on apply settings and save your video. So that's how you add effects on your video, or you add transitions on your video. And I hope this turns out important or helpful to you as a creator. And if you like it, give me a like and click on the subscribe button to help me, or maybe to get the next video so that you don't miss the next tutorial on video editing that we are going to upload soon. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.